With Samsung done with all of its flagship smartphone launch for 2020, we can now start looking towards the future. The next round of flagship from Samsung will bring us to the Galaxy S21, and reports suggest that company will launch 3 models this time around as well, with the Ultra being the very top of the range. A new render which is coming from sammobile and concept creator for the S21 has been surfaced online, and it pretty much shows us what the design looks like. So if we look at the upcoming concept, it's believed that Samsung may not significantly change the design of its next flagship smartphone, at least as far as the core industry design is concerned. However, it's possible that the new camera housing it introduced with the Galaxy Note 20 series and also used for the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will make its way to the next flagship lineup. Given the autofocus issue that customers have experienced with the S20 Ultra, Samsung will likely to opt for a laser autofocus module. It may take exactly the same on the back as it done on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So we can expect the design to be quite familiar with some minor refinement for the fit and finish. The Galaxy S21 Ultra concept gives us an idea of what the device might look like if Samsung introduces a major camera tech breakthrough next year. There has been reports that Samsung is going to use an under-display selfie camera for the Galaxy S21. Samsung did hint about adopting no-notch display 2 years ago when it's introduced the different types of bezel-less design it planned to use in the future. The Ultra variant could very well be the first Samsung device to fit this stack. Using an under-display camera would enable Samsung to offer completely bezel-less display with no cutout for the camera. That really would be a dream come true for many Samsung fans, and it's something that they have been looking forward to. It will be interesting to see how this play out, so we will be keeping a close eyes on all development related to Galaxy S21. So guys, what are you thinking about the Galaxy S21, and what do you think that Samsung should improve in their next flagship? And if you wanted to keep yourself updated regarding new tech news and unboxing on this channel, do consider subscribing it, and thanks for watching this video. Peace out.